Here's how to get the latest trending news on Facebook. If you want to be up to date to get all the latest trending news currently on Facebook, this is what you have to do. Open your Facebook app, click on the search button, and you have to search for trending. You're going to click on trending news today. Just click on it. Now it's going to give you everything that is recent. All the news in your timeline is going to be a recent event. So from here, you can choose your favorite news outlet and read. You can see videos, you can see news, everything that is going on in your environment. So this is how you get the latest trending news on Facebook. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.